Here, buddy, get the door.
Welcome back to the MrTux channel. I know that you guys are very excited. I am very excited, if you can't already tell, because we just got a beast for the setup. Oh, I'm excited because I want to jump right into all the different parts and why I'm so excited about this specific PC. But first, you guys, if you have any questions about this PC, I'm always streaming Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and most Saturdays around 6 or 7 o'clock Eastern. Guys can check me out there on Twitch. Link to that down in the description down below. And also, if you guys have any questions, I'm on Twitter way too much for my own good, and I'm going to be using this PC way too much for my own good. So if you guys have any questions, please hit me up on there. Leave a comment down below. And guys, if you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel out a lot. I really want to do more of these in the future. But guys, to jump into this PC is a PC that is built specifically for both gaming and streaming on the same system, so that if you want a one-stop PC that you can do it all with and play games for the foreseeable future and stream in high quality 1080p 60 fps, this is the PC for you. This is a monster. This isn't some pre-built hoity-toity something you get off Dell shop or whatever. This thing's a beast, and I'm going to send you guys a link and some contact information for the guy who hooked me up with this freaking monster, so that you guys might be able to go get your own as well. I wanted to go down and go see this guy when he was building the PC and just see, but at the time, it was the time then we had lost power here for like a week. Didn't shape out to be the greatest time to be able to go down there and go see this PC be getting built. But I promise in the future, we are going to go do that. Also, in the future, we are going to do a video on how we set this thing up if you want to do a dual PC. And that's more audio and video. But for now, let's talk this bad boy. The guy who hooked me up is your man Paradox. I've known Paradox for a couple of years now, for a few years actually, back since Black Ops 3. We met at a LAN, Call of Duty LAN event, and this man has since moved and evolved, and he's doing something amazing for the community, for pro players, pro streamers, freaking name it. He is making these beasts for the whole community, and he is doing it at great prices. And I would not go to some other PC part picker and all this to go get your own PCs when you could have this man and the masterminds in the lab putting this thing together for you guys, knowing exactly what you guys need, knowing exactly what you guys want. We're gonna go into the guts of this PC. Now, what this PC, the case that this PC is in, is the O11 dynamic case. It gives you a great look at all the different features of this PC. It gives you the great idea that you guys will be able to put so much more into this if you so wanted, but at the same time already packs a major punch. What we got in here is an X57 motherboard from Aeros, but also a Ryzen 9 3550 16 core processor with also the NZXT Kraken Z73 360 millimeter liquid cooler. Now you guys can probably already guess that this thing is going to be able to handle a lot, and you'll see why. Because let's go down to 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM without question. It's what you need if you're going to be gaming and streaming. Also, your GPU needs to be the best of the best. That's why we got a Zotac 2080 Ti GPU in this bad boy. Gonna be able to handle Warzone when I'm slapping up kids. This thing can handle a lot, and it's gonna be able to handle all that with high settings and be able to stream in 1080 60 FPS. You're gonna need a beastie power supply for this, so we get a 750 watt PSU in the back, and also to connect everything over, we got these beautiful LED streamers to connect the water coolers with the GPUs, the liquid coolers with the GPUs. It looks freaking fantastic. It looks beautiful. And as you can see, we got our logo in the mix, and this thing is nice. I can't wait to hook this thing up for you guys, show you what this freaking thing can do, because we're gonna be live with it this evening. You should be watching this on Friday. We're gonna be going live with this later this evening. You guys are gonna see what this thing can do. We're gonna have high settings on Warzone. We're gonna be streaming 1080 60 FPS, and you're gonna see why you need to go to this man to grant your wishes like a freaking genie in a bottle. This man is amazing. Go hit my boy up if this is what you're looking for. He's got everything you need. Make sure that you guys subscribe. If you guys haven't already, drop a thumbs up. And if you guys, again, if you have any questions, make sure to jump in my stream or jump into our Discord server. We've got a lot of people. They're always out here. A lot of masterminds in the Discord are always willing to answer any questions, collaborate, play some games, do some streams. You guys don't already know what's up. I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys stay busy. We out.
Right, shield.
Downed him.
Come on, one's cracked, no shield.
I got one down.
The other one's inside.
Got two down.
I'm down from behind. This dude is just...
I'm better.
Good kill.
I'm actually freaking nasty.